Um, I am here in the middle of our tour, our Bulusan Lake tour, and I'm currently here standing and looking at this beautiful view. There's a lot of fog over the tree. This is the time of the year where it's a little bit gloomy and rainy. So during the tour, during the walk, there's a lot of wild, flowers, plants. Napakaganda, napakaraming mga what do you call this, living things, mga may buhay. Pag may buhay, may pag-asa. So from 10,000 Lake of Minnesota, I am proud to represent our very own Bulusan Lake of the Philippines from Sorsogon City. So ito po ang ganda ng Pilipinas.